Hey everyone, it's Tim from Latticework Insights. The agency strategist role is a super important one. There's a lot of heavy researching, reading, and crunching numbers. Then you got to synthesize it all and deliver a sweeping presentation. A couple of years ago, we had two products, Open Data Plus and Ask Latticework, where you can ask us questions and we just answer. We source the data, join it, crunch it, and deliver a sweeping presentation. It was super labor intensive, and you need super smart left brain and right brain people to do the work. It was super hard to scale until now. I started playing with GPT agents. Basically, take all of ChatGPT's functionality, but give it custom knowledge, custom data, and teach it a custom way of responding, kind of like a personality. And a product called Langchain. It's just a Python library that lets you glue ChatGPT together with a bunch of different applications. Things like SQL databases, APIs, or a custom website. And the results are kind of impressive. Training an agent is dead simple. I've got a chatbot that walks you through the config process. So here I am configuring my agent. She's a super smart girl. She's going to respond in a confident yet casual manner. We get a logo, a description, and we tell it how to respond. And then we can upload custom knowledge.
I know Kung Fu. Show me.
We're going to call it Agency Strategist. Over the years, we've collected thousands of white papers in custom places like McKinsey, Kantar, WPP, Nestle, and so on. The US Census database. It's a sick collection, but somebody's got to read it all. We even wrote a wrapper around it in Elasticsearch to make the querying easy. Turns out it was super hard. And now ChatGPT can just scan it all for me, and I can use Langchain to connect everything together. I can query ChatGPT. I can ask it questions about agency strategy. I can even create and configure a custom GPT assistant right from the API. I can give it specific instructions on how to behave. It's like a RAG, or maybe not a RAG. And now it has specific knowledge. And now we can ask it questions. Like, what about rural Gen Z kids hanging out? Or how do baby boomers think about healthy living? Or how do young Latinos shop for food when they're planning a dinner party? It's actually pretty good. It's got code interpreter built in, so it can build charts and graphs. I can even give it a template document, and it'll export the results in my format. A friend asked me if we could make a custom user interface, like a web page redesign, that acts like the strategist. I figured that part would take a long time, but then I just asked ChatGPT to write the code for me. Now that we have an insight, let's say we wanted to make a budget pacing document for our media planning team with a media mix strategy built in, and there you have it. I even told it to adjust the pacing by looking at historical CPMs. I didn't even give it the numbers. It can just read a chart. It's pretty amazing. Now, there's no replacement for a gifted strategist or a really senior developer, but it makes the heavy lifting a lot lighter. It kind of augments your work. A recent paper by Burning Glass describes AI as having one of three effects on jobs: automated, augmented, and transformed. Automated jobs may not exist after AI. Augmented jobs still require expertise, but they're enhanced by these AI tools. And jobs that are transformed are completely reimagined jobs with all new unit economics. I know a lot of you are thinking about these technologies, and we'd love to collaborate. Thanks for listening.